Welcome to part 2. This is my natural hair, freshly washed. These are how my curls looks. And this is my hair blow dried since I had to braid the back up so I can do my sewing for this part. Now I have the back all braided up. It's a little janky, but it's fine. I'm sewing overhanded, just sewing the tracks in from left to right. Now this is the hair all sewed in. This was, I believe, 1/2 of a bundle for the back, and now I'm drenching the hair in water so I can get it to its natural state, since these are how the curls looked when after I washed it. You always want to wash your bundles as soon as you get it and before you put it in your head. Now I'm brushing it out. You always want to brush your hair or comb your hair from tip to root so you don't pull any unnecessary hair out. Now I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner. This is the Garnier Fructis Buttercream, and I actually like using this on my natural hair and on my extensions. Like, it helps a bit, so I'm going to put that on. Now I'm going to drench my hair in water and repeat the same process as I did on my extensions so I can get it to match my extensions well. So here I use the styling gel to put the gel throughout my hair and throughout the extensions. and I noticed it looked a little thin, so I ended up adding another bundle, but I did clip-ins. So I added it to the front of my hair, and I'll insert a picture of how it looked after I added the clip-ins.